guys. This is my first time buying shoe of 35,000.
Baby, take my hand, I want you to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. So I want you guys to spend the day with me. So this is me waking up from sleep, and the next thing I do is to read my Bible and say a prayer, and then I get my day started. But before I do that, I would like to dress my bed, turn on the lights, and make everywhere tidy. Okay. The next thing I do is move straight to the bathroom and do my mouth care, body care, and skin care. The only thing I'm not going to apply now is the CeraVe eye cream and the acne remover cream, which is done at night for my under eye and my acne spots. Then I move over to my body care, which is using the skin therapy oil and I am Latin daily moisturizer cream. So when I'm done, I move over to get dressed. As you all can see, I get dressed, I apply my fragrance, that's C by Manny, and my lip gloss, and I'm ready to start my day. Guys, it's morning and I need to have breakfast, of course, so I go to the kitchen and look for what to I'm always indecisive. I don't know if some of you are like that, always indecisive of what to eat in the morning. I got this bread last night, so I'm just going to have this bread and look for something else to like go with it. Yeah, I got this sardine too last night, so I'm just going to have this for breakfast. I've also added this chocolate flavor Vijubake to one of my favorite drink. Yeah, in my last video I mentioned some favorite things I like to do. Yeah, so I'm just going to poke this open and just turn it into my jar. It's very creamy, it's very sweet, guys. You should try it. This is a good day. But I got a delivery just now, so I just had to say, why not share it with you guys? I bought a shoe online from all these personal shoppers, So yeah, I just got it. It came in from Lagos anyway. Let's open it together. I have my scissors. Yeah. Oh, I was showing you guys my address. Let me drop this here. Ooh, this is it, guys. It didn't come in a box for the amount I paid. Really, it didn't come in a box. It didn't come in a box, guys. Like, are you kidding me? Okay, it's fine anyways. Let me see. Oops. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I got a shoe. A new shoe, guys. Hmm. And this is the brand River Island. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is River Island, guys. Guys, this shoe is expensive. Hey, forget that it came like this. That's why I'm like, it didn't come in a box. Like, for the amount I paid for this shoe. You know, if you're familiar with River Island, you know that it's a very big brand, And yeah, so guys, this is a shoe. I saw it online and I ordered for it, and I think I love it, guys. It's it's so pretty, like, oh my god, the camera is not doing justice to how beautiful this shoe is. And I tried to get it in block heel. I'm not a fan of 6 inches, 4 inches, or even 3.5 inches heels. I prefer block heels, and I prefer my maximum heel to wear, size of heel to wear is 3 inches, and that's it. I am not a fan of high heels. I just said that. Yeah, so I said this is expensive, guys, because I spend money on other things, but you see, for shoes, Hey, I don't know, like I don't know because I just feel like I step on it on the floor, like especially living in Nigeria, in Nigeria, honestly, where our roads are not so good, So I don't really spend much. I can spend money for hairs, bags, and other things. Even my perfumes are expensive. But this, guys, I have to share something with you guys. This is my first time buying shoe of 35,000 naira. It's funny. This is my first time buying a shoe of 35,000 naira, guys. Like, this shoe cost 35k. Okay? 35,000 naira. And it's actually my first time buying a shoe of 35. Is it my first time? Yeah. Yeah. My first time buying a shoe of 35k. And I think I'm going to do that. I spend money on hairs and my wristwatch, perfumes, over 100 and something, even to 200k, But this is my first time spending 35k for shoes. All right, guys, I just said I should share this with you guys. Although I'm still sad, I thought I was going to do a mini unboxing for TikTok. It didn't come in a box, so yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. All right, I'm going to try this on right now. It's afternoon now, guys, and I just have to relax and probably see a movie. Then I would think of maybe going to my laptop, doing one or two things like editing videos for you guys, and then check with my schedule to know the job I have to do. That's proper work, okay? After seeing a movie and doing some work on my laptop, I decided to have lunch. So I ordered this. This is pounded yam and white soup, guys. I've never had white soup before. This is going to be my first time. So I ordered this and I also ordered a plate of stew. But unfortunately, the stew poured out, which made me very sad. After having that heavy lunch, yeah, heavy lunch, guys, I went in for my favorite drink and a slice of cake this evening. It's already evening, guys, and then I decided to watch some favorite YouTubers of mine, and then yeah, I tend to prep for the night. This is me turning on my candle to make everywhere smell good while I go into the shower, just have my bath, and prep to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and saw how my day went. I want you guys to please subscribe, like, share this video, and you know what? Drop a comment. Ask anything you want. Don't be shy. I will see you guys in